Ratchet! Ratchet.
Hey, I'm visiting the needle exchange today.
The needle exchange?
Yeah, to get safe, you know, clean needles and clean condoms. New condoms.
So they give you all kinds of new condoms and needles here. And Michael, I think he's the owner. I'm going to see if you can see him. He just might be sitting here. That's him. Hey, you're on film. I hope that's not a bad thing. But we're some local rappers.
Let me get some stuff, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
She's a new rapper in the area, and we're just promoting needle exchange.
Look good.
So,
So we are out of
hey,
blankets, we're out of little cotton things, we're out of alcohol. Oh, we got needles. Oh, we got needles.
And
Short ones there. Short and half-inch ones over here.
so you just open the cabinet and let people get whatever they want when they come in? Michael,
take as many as you need, right? Better safe than sorry, huh?
That's right.
you can take as many bags too, they say. As long as you stay safe, that's what they want.
These are the short ones, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else do they have in there? Ratchet?
These are like, I guess cookers, you know, where you put your dope in it.
Okay.
And
That don't keep you safe though. Yeah, it does.
like, they're clean.
Instead of spoons. That's why you use the cookers.
Very good.
Just
I mean, like, say you're
Look like
real
you're
bad. I mean, you can get as many as you want, like the brown paper bags. Like, I need it. You can take as many as you want, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Awesome.
Just making sure.
Gotcha.
Any flavors? Or?
Can we try one of each or several of each? You know, I like
every
all the
size
flavors.
and flavor and color and everything.
Be our guest.
I love all the flavors. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's like bowls for yummy goodies.
Looks fun.
Okay.
What
You
else
can
do?
use like you can put the
I'm ready.
old ones. That's
Swish
like the
some.
old ones.
Yeah,
That's fine.
yeah, I think that's what they have for the old needles. So you bring the old ones in and put them in there. They also do HIV testing here.
Okay.
Okay. You don't have to show it all the way. All right. So YouTube, the video should be up in the next couple days. And out for sale on CD, baby.
Thank you.
You ladies have a good afternoon.
You too. And these are the owners. They've been taking needles around Asheville since I was 18. A long time.
Year or two.
But now they're a business. They don't have to do it undercover no more. That's him.
Bye, needle exchange.
Because I probably didn't do